Imagine this. It's a sunny Saturday morning, and while everyone else is hustling off to work, you're lounging at a cafe, sipping your coffee, and watching your bank balance grow. No clocking in, no deadlines, just a steady stream of income flowing in while you live your life. Does that sound like a dream? Well, I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm sharing 10 creative ways to start making passive income with little to no investment. Whether you're a college student, just starting your career, or even working full-time, these strategies can fit seamlessly into your life and help you build wealth without burning out. Stick with me, because there's one method toward the end that barely anyone talks about, and it could be the easiest money you ever make. So why passive income? Why not just get a second job or work a few extra hours each week? Here's the hard truth. Relying on active income alone, swapping your time for money, is a treadmill. It can keep you moving, but rarely takes you forward. Passive income, on the other hand, is about building a system that pays you long after the work is done, and that's the secret to financial freedom. But here's where most people get stuck. They think passive income requires tons of cash to start. It's not true. The strategies I'm sharing today can be done with minimal upfront investment. All it takes is some creativity, a bit of consistency, and the willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Are you ready? Let's dive into the first idea. Number 1, sell digital products. Imagine creating something once and then it keeps selling while you sleep. Digital products like printables, templates, ebooks can be created with tools like Canva, which is free. And platforms like Etsy or Gumroad can help you reach a global audience with minimal fees. Ever wanted to be the next Picasso? Well, this might not make you famous, but it could make you rich. Creating digital products is just one way to start building that bank balance. But maybe designing isn't your thing. How about doing something that requires almost zero skills? Number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn a commission by promoting someone else's product. You don't need to create a product, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. Just recommend things you love or use and let your unique affiliate link do the work. Imagine getting paid every time someone buys a gadget you recommended. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or even influencer programs on social media can get you started without any investment. Number 3, renting out items you already own. Think about the things you own but rarely use. That camera collecting dust? Rent it out on platforms like Fat Llama or ShareGrid. Even your car can be a passive income source with Turo. And speaking of rentals, what if I told you there's a way to make money from real estate without actually buying a property? Number 4, real estate crowdfunding. Yes, you heard that right. With real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, you can invest in real estate projects with as little as $10. You don't need to be a landlord or deal with property maintenance. Just sit back and watch your returns grow. Still with me? Or are you already dreaming about that private island you'll buy with all this new income? Number 5, cashback rewards and savings apps. Did you know you can earn money on purchases you're already making? Apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, or Honey give you cashback on everyday spending. It might seem small, but it adds up over time, especially if you automate the process. All right, let's turn up the creativity a notch. What if you could make money while you game? Number 6, passive gaming income. Yes, gaming. Apps like Misplay or Buff reward you with gift cards or cash for simply playing games. So if you're spending hours gaming, why not earn some extra cash from it? Number 7, create a YouTube channel. Wait, before you roll your eyes, hear me out. You don't even need to show your face. Channels that post stock footage with voiceovers, educational content, or even relaxing music get millions of views. With YouTube ad revenue, those views can turn into serious cash over time. Number 8, print-on-demand merchandise. You can sell t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags without ever touching the product. Platforms like Printful or Redbubble take care of the printing and shipping. You just create the designs. Now, what if I told you that your personal experiences and knowledge could be your biggest moneymaker? And no, I'm not talking about coaching or consulting. Number 9, licensing your photos or music. If you have a knack for photography or music, You can license your work on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Epidemic Sound. Every time someone downloads your photo or song, you earn royalties. It's like turning your hobbies into an income stream. Number 10. Peer-to-peer lending. Here's one for the brave. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend small amounts to people or businesses, and in return, you earn interest. But remember, this one has a bit more risk, so always do your research. And there you have it. 10 ways to start making passive income with little to no investment. Imagine what your life could look like a year from now. Picture checking your accounts and seeing money rolling in from the work you did months ago. That's freedom. That's control. And that's the power of passive income. Remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you'll reach that dream life you've always envisioned. So, don't wait. Pick one strategy and start building your passive income today. Maybe it's creating a digital product, renting out something you own, or simply getting cash back on your next coffee run. Every little bit counts. Oh, and before you go, if you found this valuable, there's one more step. Hit that subscribe button for more insights like this, because we're just getting started on your journey to financial freedom.